Welcome to the Pocket Professional, Mastering Smartphone Photography. This video will guide you in maximizing the potential of your phone's camera. Photography used to rely on heavy, complex gear. Now, your smartphone offers ultimate availability and professional results in a single, portable device. We have progressed from 0.1 megapixel cameras to modern computational photography. This evolution allows our phones to rival traditional DSLRs. Computational photography combines the sensor's light capture with AI processing. The phone instantly takes multiple photos, and AI blends them into one perfect image. Modern smartphone camera systems include wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. They also support advanced formats like ProRAW and log video for professional editing. Instead of twisting a dial, move your body to compose your shot. Walk closer for details, crouch down for perspective, or step back for the environment. Complex settings can lead to choice paralysis. Smartphones simplify the technical process, allowing you to focus entirely on composition and storytelling. Treat your device like a professional tool. Cleaning your lens regularly removes fingerprints, which restores clarity and contrast to your images. Take control of your focus and exposure. Tap the screen to lock focus on your subject, and slide your finger up or down to adjust brightness. Turn on grid lines to divide your screen into 9 squares. This helps you apply the rule of thirds by placing subjects on the lines or intersections for better composition. The current trend moves away from perfect sharpness. The world now craves authenticity. Smartphones are ideal for capturing natural, real moments. Modern features include cinematic language, where portrait mode creates deep backgrounds. Vertical storytelling drives mobile content, and AI editing can remove objects instantly. Smartphones offer high portability, a low learning curve, and instant connectivity. Their main advantage lies in availability and speed, though DSLRs still lead in raw sensor depth. You can build a full production studio using mobile rigs. Simply attach professional lights and microphones to elevate your video and photographic output. Photography democratizes art by eliminating technical barriers. Your unique vision matters most. Start creating today.